So here we have someone with the scissors. It almost looks like she's at a party and just on a whim she decided, oh, I'm just gonna cut my hair. So she cuts off one braid. Psychs herself up with a drink. And then cuts the other. Now for doing this cuts just kind of sporadically on a whim, I think she actually did a pretty even job. Like the line looks pretty clean. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations. So we see the stylist do more of a professional cut with this one. Cuts the hair into the very trendy pixie bob shape. Gorgeous. And this is like the perfect length if you just want a style that's carefree and low maintenance. So then we see someone else with this very bold hair color. Looks like a mix of peach, pink, and purple. And she also has a pixie bob haircut. So let us know what you think of this color combination in the comments below. And if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles in today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So the next hairstyle is going to involve someone who has this beautiful ginger colored hair. The stylist is cutting the hair, putting in some bangs. She got a beautiful shoulder length bob. Gorgeous. And then we move on to the next hair transformation. Wow, beautiful pixie cut. She does have the baby bangs with this one. Such a chic and stylish look. So then we see someone with two-tone colored hair. I love the color mix. And she decided to get a mushroom style pixie. Followed by yet another gorgeous pixie hair change. Beautifully done. Wow, check out her hair color. Very unique and edgy. And it looks like she decided to get an undercut pixie style, slicked back. The color really elevates that particular cut. So we move on to yet another pixie styling. I love how much body and movement her hair has within this particular haircut. Gorgeous. And she does have a lot of options with this cut as well. She can really play around with the styling, add some curls, especially at the top, slick it back, wear it more of like a mohawk style. Just so much variety. So then we move on to someone rocking out some bubblegum colored hair. She does have like a shoulder length bob here. Oh, it looks like the stylist is doing a nice trim into more of a traditional bob cut. Oh, I really like the texture he created within the cutting. Definitely has some choppiness to it. Beautiful. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.